Ndewo. Welcome back. We are still dealing with the same topic, Akara edemede Igbo. Today we are going into Akaramkpu. Akaramkpu, which is exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. What is exclamation mark? I know we know it. And let's say it out for those that doesn't know. And for those that forget, they will also remember. It is used to denote strong emphasis, emotions, surprises, or high volume at the end of a sentence. There is one particular statement or one particular thing that you will see that will make you to shout. And that shouting, maybe you made a statement though, but the statement have a shout. That shout will make it will draw people's attention either for good or for bad. There are so many ways that we make use of this Akaramkpu, which is exclamation mark. In Igbo, Akaramkpu bụ akara edemede a na-etinye n'ahịrịokwu iji gosi na mmadụ tiri mkpu, to show that somebody shouted. Iji gosi na mmadụ tiri mkpu. Ma ọ bụ okwu e kwuru n'olu ike. Akara eji ezipụta ya bụ nke a. Mkpu mmadụ tiri nwere ike bụrụ mkpu ọṅụ, which I said there are so many ways that we also shout. Shout of joy, which is mkpu ọṅụ. Another way that we can shout while expressing ourselves is mkpu mwute. Shout of pain or brokenness. Mkpu mwute. Mkpu nkụja. Shout of shock. Shout of shock. When somebody is in shock or something, the way the person will shout in a sentence will tell you that this particular one is for shock or any other one. Mkpu iri uju. Mkpu iri uju. Shout of pain. Maybe somebody lost someone, and when you hear about the news, the way you will shout. Shout of pain. Another way, mkpu ụjọ. Shout of fear. Maybe you saw something that unexpectedly, the way you will shout. That is another way of shouting. Another way of shouting again is mkpu ihe mere mmadụ n'ike. Shout of surprise. Maybe you are giving a particular thing as a surprise, the way you will shout. While writing it, we must put exclamation mark. These words can be here, che, hey, oh, ewo, ewu, ebe, anwomo, yeah, and so many other examples. You can use this exclamation mark to show shout of joy, which is, yeah, Ngozi amụọla nwa. Yeah, Ngozi have given birth. Shout of pain. Kai, gịnị mere nke a jiri mee? Why did this happen? So many other shouts that we have. I know with the way I explained it, you will give example using all these shouts. And you can give me example in the shout of pain, shout of shock, shout of surprises. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in my next video. God.